exciting stuff to show you guys. We've got some video clip to show you here. We're going to get into the technicals and we're going to look over the short interest and possibly the reason this popped today. But let's get into it now.
Skyward has been working on proving out the delivery use case for drones. We've been working closely with UPS and their drone delivery program to actually test out and demonstrate connected flights for drone delivery.
UPS is working with a variety of partners who are coming together to create this ecosystem of smart cities. The firm is basically an area in Louisville where we can test a lot of these drones. 5G is the glue that puts it all together. That is what enables us to control and communicate with these drones that are flying around. Today, you may be ordering a prescription on a mail order pharmacy, which may take 3 to 4 days. Tomorrow, you would order it, and within 30 minutes, it's at your front door. That is the future of delivery we're talking about. The advanced technology group here at UPS is laying together those layers: autonomous vehicles, robots, drones. When we put these building blocks together, held together by the glue of Verizon's 5G, it is going to change the world.
So what did we witness here? Well, we saw a drone delivering a package out of an electric UPS vehicle here. And both are actually Workhorse made. So I'll leave a link for you guys, and I'll leave a link to the full video. That was just a little clip, like a minute-long clip, and it's a few-minute video, so there is other little tidbits of info there. But you will see here, that was just a Workhorse vehicle, and that's actually the Workhorse UPS vehicle. So quite interesting stuff. And the Horsefly can actually fly for 50 minutes empty, or 25 minutes if it's at its max payload of 10 pounds here. And it comes complete with an app. So someone that's waiting for their order, they can literally see this flying in the sky, coming to their door, cancel your order if you have to, anything like that, more information, kind of cool stuff. I think this is one thing that people aren't even thinking about with Workhorse. You know, we're talking about a company that's under $1 billion market cap, been beaten down because of the failed USPS contract, because of that recall. You know, just the general EV growth stocks have been kind of taking a crap, at least not until recently. You know, recently we've been kind of seeing a nice little rise with a lot of EVs. But, you know, there's been this just stagnation over the last couple of months where just all the EV stocks in general have just been beaten down completely. And most growth stocks, you know, have just been taking a crap. I think, you know, Workhorse, this isn't just, we're not just talking EVs here. We're talking a huge potential with drones. And, you know, I think being patient with this thing, like I'm talking 5 years type of patience, I think it's going to pay off pretty handsomely. But now getting back to the current day here, we had a recent tweet here from Will Mead. He gave us this tweet of stocks under $10 with the most short interest, Workhorse being one of them with a 35% short. You'll see that Workhorse here is at 36% interest according to MarketWatch, with the highest shorted company being Bit Digital. Actually, I might look into that here. A crypto miner. This is a crypto miner that has just been dropping from what I understand. And now you'll notice Big Five still up there at the top of the list as well. Blink Charging, a lot of charging companies, a lot of electric vehicles, Fisker, Canoe. But yeah, we've got a, you know, it seems we're still at this point where there's a lot of short interest in a lot of these EVs that have been beaten down. So we'll get to this point though where it doesn't make sense to short. When a company's been so beaten down, so low, there's going to be a turning point, and we might have just already seen it with Workhorse turning around and coming very close to 7. And if we can hold and keep going upwards, these shorts are going to be forced to cover. So I think that's partly the reason for the nice little spike we had here today, is that that tweet from Will Mead. But I also wanted to show you one more thing here, and that is the chart setup. I definitely think that we found our floor here at $6. I could be wrong, of course, but I have a good feeling about that $6 mark. That market cap's just getting lower and lower, and at $6, to me, it makes a lot of sense to buy. Now, you'll see that it popped at 6, bounced again. We had that nice W, had a bounce, came back down almost to 6, bounced again, and then got really close to 6, bounced again, and we broke our resistance here. At least the resistance that I saw here at like the $7. It got very close to 7 and then pulled back. So what will it do throughout the rest of the week? I'm not sure, but I do have a feeling that if we start coming back towards 6, we'll be eaten up with a lot of buying pressure. When it comes down to 6, you do see a lot of buying pressure coming in here. This, I mean, look at this, is just nothing but green candles here. mostly green candles. But I will be looking at this here. I'll be looking very closely on this. Now, for the reason why I think we're pulling back, we did bounce and then we reached overbought on the RSI. That could potentially be the reason for the pullback here. But we did break all of the EMAs and we went further down. Now, keep in mind, after hours, we did pop pretty nice. So we're closer to about 680. I see Workhorse where it's at, definitely as a buy. I'm very long-term on this one. Honestly, I think that we've established the floor here at $6. So to me, there's limited downside. And like I said, when it does hit that 6, we get met with quite a nice bit of buying pressure. But that's just my thoughts here on Workhorse. I'm very bullish on this one long term. Short term, I'm pretty bullish on it still. I think we're going to keep working our way up to the 10. We'll see where it goes from here, though. And also keep in mind, November 9 earnings is coming up here. I'm very excited to listen to the conference call and hear what everybody has to say with Workhorse. So that's basically all I got for Workhorse for you. Just a quick update. I'm still bullish on this one, no doubt. I love Workhorse where it's at. I see a lot of potential future here with the drone, with the EV. Thanks guys, as always, for watching. I'll see you on the next one.